Welcome to Sky Online Academy. Let's start the video with the शब्दार्थ of मन के बोले बाले बादल कविता. जब्बर बड़े घने फैलावदार कर्ली डेंस. तोंद बाहर की ओर निकला हुआ पेट टमी. कुबड़ किसी वस्तु या जीव का उबारदार टेढ़ापन जैसे ऊंट का कुबड़ हम्प. मतवाला मनमौजी मस्ती में रहने वाला लापरवाह ब्रेव. तूफानी तूफान की तरह तबाही मचाता हुआ स्ट्रॉम. शैतानी शरारत भरा काम दुष्टतापूर्ण. नॉटी जिद्दी हटी स्टबन. एडमेंट भले अच्छे गुड. बोले बाले सरल सज्जन अच्छा हृदय का निराला. इनोसेंट गुड. मन के बोले बाले बादल कविता का सारांश. समरी. Various forms of clouds have been depicted in this poem by poet Kalpanath Singh. The poet has described different forms of clouds in this poem. Through the lines presented in the poem, the poet has compared the clouds with human. The poet has given human qualities to the clouds. He says that the hair of the clouds is curly. He feels that few clouds have curly hair like human, that is very much dense and spread. He feels that the curly hair of the clouds has spread across the sky. The cheeks of the clouds are like balloons. The clouds have cheeks like balloons. The color of the clouds is black. We get dark clouds in the sky, and when we have dark clouds in the sky, it starts to rain, which are running in the sky here and there. So these dark clouds, they don't stay in one place. They run across the sky here and there. Some of the clouds has raised its trunk like elephants, and some clouds has inflated tummy like a clown, while some clouds have hump like a camel. Some clouds have wings like fairies. Few clouds look like elephant, clown, camel, and even like fairies. The poet says that these clouds are brave as lion, and they used to collide with each other. When they collide, when they dash each other, we get rain. The poet further says through his lines that some clouds seems like storms, some clouds are mischievous, some clouds secretly rain water from their bags. The poet believes and feels that the clouds has its own bag, and inside its bag it has water, and from that bag it used to pour water, that is, it starts to rain. These clouds also do not listen to anyone. They are so naughty, like small kids, and they don't obey to anybody. They won't listen to anyone. When they feel it starts to rain, when they want, they stop raining. They play dolak, meaning a sound like a dole, like drum. Here, the poet has compared thunder to drum. So suddenly they starts thunder. Sometimes stays on the roof and then flies up silently. And sometimes the clouds stick to their stubbornness. Sometimes the Kavi, that is the poet, feels that these clouds are so stubborn, adamant, that they continuously rain for many days together. When they rain with their stubbornness and adamantness, it gives flood to us. We suffer because of flood. Even then, the poet feels that it's so innocent and good. Still, according to the poet, the clouds look good, which are innocent clouds of the mind. Let's start with the book back exercise. तुम्हारी समझ से, according to your understanding. कभी कभी जिद्दी बन करके बाढ़ नदी नालों में लाते. The question is, बादल नदी नालों में बाढ़ कैसे लाते होंगे? How the clouds would bring flood. बाढ़ means flood in rivers and canals. उत्तर, बादल अत्यधिक बारिश बरसाकर नदी नालों में बाढ़ लाते होंगे. बादल अत्यधिक वर्षा बरसाकर नदी नालों में बाढ़ लाते होंगे. अगला प्रश्न, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नहीं किसी की सुनते कुछ भी, ढोलक ढोल बजाते बादल. The question related to this sentence is, बादल ढोल कैसे बजाते होंगे? ढोल means the musical instrument drum. So how clouds would play drums? So the answer is, बादल आपस में टकराकर गरजना करते हैं. उनकी यह गरजना सुनकर ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे वे ढोल बजा रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कुछ तो लगते हैं तूफानी, कुछ रह करते शैतानी. एंड द रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन टू दिस लाइन इज, बादल कैसे शैतानियाँ करते होंगे? शैतानियाँ, naughtiness. So the answer is, कभी तेज हवा के साथ पानी बरसाकर, कभी दिन रात लगातार पानी बरसाकर बादल शैतानियाँ करते होंगे. That means sometimes it may blow strong wind for longer time and sometimes it may rain for longer days, for many days continuously, which may result to flood. And these are the naughtiness of clouds. Now let's see कौन. Here we have to compare the words with the given words. Like, see, like, कैसा, how, कौन, who. So how does he or she or that looks like सूरज? It looks like चमकीला, चमकीली. So who or what looks like it? थाली, plate looks like that. So the next word is चंदा सा. चंदा like moon. So the answers can be Gora, fair. And what will be fair? Who will be fair? Chehra. Next, Hati sa. Hati sa. Hati means elephant. It is always referred to be very big, fat. So we can write Mota. And who? Usually people. So Vyakti. Now the next one is Joker sa. Joker is very funny. So we can say like Joker, मजेदार, मजेदार. And who? Humans, man, आदमी. Next, परियों सा, like fairies. So how fairies used to be? Usually very beautiful. So प्यारा, like a wing, पंख. Now next, गुब्बारे सा, like balloon. So we can say fula, inflated, and its muh, face. Last one, dolak. So it also used to be very fat, mota, like पेट, टमी. कविता से आगे, तूफान क्या होता है? आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग, तूफान क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्टॉर्म? बादलों को तूफानी क्यों कहा गया है? Why are the clouds called stormy? तूफान क्या होता है? तूफान तेज हवा होती है. Strong winds are called तूफान. बादलों को तूफानी इसलिए कहा गया है क्योंकि कभी-कभी वे तेज हवा के साथ मत वाले बनकर वर्षा बरसाते हैं. Now the second question. साल के किन किन महीनों में ज़्यादा बादल छाते हैं? In a year, which are the months when we get more clouds, darker clouds? So the answer is जुलाई और अगस्त के महीने में, जुलाई और अगस्त के महीनों में. थर्ड क्वेश्चन. कविता में काले बादलों की बात की गई है. इन द पोएम ब्लैक क्लाउड्स हैव बीन रेफर्ड. क्या बादल सचमुच काले होते हैं? इज इट ट्रू दैट क्लाउड्स आर रियली डार्क और ब्लैक इन कलर? सभी बादल, द आंसर इज सभी बादल काले नहीं होते, कुछ सफ़ेद भी होते हैं. ऑल द क्लाउड्स आर नॉट black in color, few are even white. So what does this black clouds refers to? Black clouds are clouds which are filled with water drops, so they look like dark in color. Next question. कक्षा में बातचीत करो और बताओ कि बादल किन किन रंगों के होते हैं. Discuss in your class and describe what are the different colors of clouds are available. Now let us move to the next question. कैसे कैसे बादल? In what are the different shape and what are the different form of clouds are available? तरह तरह के बादलों के चित्र बनाओ. Draw different types of clouds. काले काले डरावने, scary dark black clouds. गुब्बारे से गालों वाले, chubby chick clouds like chicks like balloons. Clouds. हल्के फुल्के सुहाने, very thin and light weighted clouds. So draw these kinds of clouds in the given space. Next question. कविता में बादलों को बोला कहा गया है. In the poem, the clouds are said to be very bola, innocent. इसके अलावा, other than this, बादलों के लिए और कौन कौन से शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया गया है? What are the other words used to describe clouds? नीचे लिखे अधूरे शब्दों को पूरा करो. The given below words has to be filled. The answers are mat wale, brave, ziddi, stubborn, shaitani, naughty, तूफानी, stormy. अब हम बारिश की आवाज़ें के बारे में देखेंगे. Let's see the sounds of rain. It rains with different sounds. कुछ अपने तैलों से चुपके झर 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 बरसाते पानी. So sometimes it rains with the sound झर झर झर. पानी के बरसने की आवाज है झर झर झर. The sound of the rain is झर झर झर. पानी बरसने की कुछ और आवाजें लिखे. Write few more words of rain. Tup tup tup. Rim rim rim. Tip tip tip. Jim jim jim. अब हम अगली प्रश्न देखेंगे. नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कैसे कैसे पेड़. द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रीज इन दिस पोएम. द पोएट हैज described about the different shapes of clouds. Now here it is about the different shapes and size of trees. पेड़, trees. बादलों की तरह पेड़ भी अलग अलग आकार के होते हैं. कोई बरगद सा फैला हुआ और कोई नारियल के पेड़ जैसा ऊंचा और सीधा. Like clouds, even trees are of different shapes. आकार, shapes. कोई बरगद सा फैला हुआ. Few are like creepers और कोई नारियल के पेड़ जैसा ऊंचा और सीधा. And few are like very much like coconut tree, very much straight and tall. अपने आसपास अलग अलग तरह के पेड़ देखो. See different trees around you. तुम्हें उनमें कौन कौन से आकार दिखाई देते हैं. List what are the different shapes and size of trees you find around you. सब मिलकर पेड़ों पर एक कविता भी तैयार करो. And write a poem on tree or trees. That is your creativity writing. So here we have to write a poem on trees too. Dhanyavad. Meet you in the next video.